So hi guys, so this is a continuation for the first video that we have seen by creating a login and sign up page. So now we're just creating the ownership for the person who just logged in. So he might get the preferences uh, to edit and update, like to destroy the field he has added. So by logging in, so you can edit that page. So if the other people who are just been in the database so that they can edit the other people's data. So now we'll see that one. So how to do that? So here we go. So first we need to create a foreign key. So Rails generate migration add sorry add and user foreign key column to blog blog post. So here we have just created so code dot. So it was inside db minus. So here we can check if it is created or not. So here we can go to db migrate. So db migrate the device. So is a foreign key. So here we just need to add the permissions, like add reference add reference blog post. User, it's like foreign key, so it's going to be true. So here I think we have just added a reference, add reference to the blog post uh, with the user, and it's going to be there. It's going to be foreign key. So yeah, if wanna check this one, we'll just go into the foreign key by going to the blog post source RB. So here, so foreign key, user ID. So there it's primary key now. Just okay. So there we go. I think post RB post application. So blog post foreign key. Open the file created. So in schema.rb, let me see. So here, I think, yeah, I think looks fine. So we'll just dive into the inside. So now we just link between belongs to and uh, has to and many has. So here we can just do uh, we can go to the user.topic. So here we can just add some of the data. So like user has many models, like so has many uh, blog posts and also class name. So user and the foreign key should be, so last name it's So it's not user, it's blog post. So one foreign game should be okay, user ID and the thing also it's going to be creator. So it's okay. So now everything is good. So here we just started the links model. The application has in the application record we just added in the users that user has many blog spots. So when it comes to the blog spot, so blog spot, this belongs to the user. So here creator, so that just missed price. So it's class name should be uh, user, and then foreign key is always same. So user ID, so we don't need to change the foreign key. So inverse of blog post, blog post, yeah. So here we just need to add the indentations. So yeah, so after this one we just dive into the seeds, seeds.rd. Oh, so these should be like here because we are just creating the user names and everything, so it should be here. So who's the user one? So user one should be home. I just need to put the comma from here. So comma. So here I just need to add comma and then I just need to proceed. So creator. So the creator should be user one. So this homos is user one. So this Lisa should be user two. So we just mentioning creator user two. So this homo, we already know this guy is a he is a user one. So as we have already named him, so don't forget to add comma. So bot, so it's going to be user three. So Lisa is user one. Creator user three. So bot is going to be again user three. So here we just need adding the comma. So Lisa, yeah, she's a user two. So Thomas is user one, user two. Yeah. I think I have made the changes in the seats.rd. So let's update views to use association. So we just go into the views. So views, uh, blog posts, and index. So here we just what we do is, so here he just made a commented out. So here it's going to be so here it's going to be we are just adding the link percentage equals to percentage equals to blog post dot creator dot email, yeah, percentage. Here it will. So I think here I have added a title and email of the blog post dot creator at email. Then we just go to the show.html. So then here also by to do a author. So if you just made like between the p created by, so it will display some tag equals to, so at the rate blog post uh, dot creator dot email. So I think we just adding. Okay. So then to create so we are just giving the access to some functions only. So now I think we just need to make some changes in the controller. So application controller. So here the code 19 blogspot new. So let me see a second. So we I think I need to make some changes. So at the rate creative build params if create. So inside the create blogspot array blogspot equals to, so current user dot blog posts dot build param. I think I just need to remove this one. The current user dot blog posts blog posts that build param require blog post dot permit title body. Yeah, so I think it's good. So here we just made a created an edit action. So uh, so now let's run the server. So yes, I think we're good to go. Host 3000. Okay, I think I just do. Okay, so what I just need to do is migration. Rails DB. Yeah, so here I think we are done. So we just migrated. Again, we just go here and just run again. So here, so now you can see that here we're getting access to all of those um, data. So we just need to restrict to some of the users logged in so that they can only read, edit, delete. So for that we need to give access. So for that so we need to hide other links. So here we go to the index.html again. So these are the things that are displaying. So instead of typing, so we just hide those, like, or make it blank for those links so that it cannot display to other people. So here what we do is, okay, if uh, blog post dot creator equals to current user, so then only it will be okay. So otherwise, so it should throw error. So I'm just taking a reference, I think. So here is a resource. I'm just checking where to end. So here we just need to end here. So here, think after creating the quiz and everything, they just ended here. So it needs to end here. Slash symbol. And that's not how it ends. This is how it works. So after the end, so add before action in the controller, like we just need to make some changes in the controller also. Okay. So just need to add before permission. So I think here I just need, I think I missed something. So, so I think I need to edit these two into the function. So yeah. So here I have added all those things. Require permission. Mm, so new create. So if you log in, it will just show you how you need to do that. So here we just added login authorization. So after that, here, so def require permission. I think we can just, I think we can just do it here itself. So require permission. If blog post find params by searching the ID, I can do not creator creator not equals to current user, then flash error. So you need to flash an error, like you do not have the permission to do that. But thing. So after that, redirect to um, blog post dot end end. So I think we're done here. So I'll just cross check the reference, everything. So here it goes. So we should maybe we don't need of indentation, but still here. So here you can see that you need to log in before sign up. So here comes our guy homes and so password. When you go back, you can see here that only some of the options of edit and delete you can see. So other than that, you can't see anything because these are just hidden. So since you can see here in the code that we just added some links. If you're a creator, if you are using the current user, then only you can able to edit. Otherwise, you can't edit. So this is our that. So now I'm stopping the sharing. Okay, I'm just turning the video.